Hola mi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm with my little brother and we're gonna be making Numbchucks of lightning. We're gonna be making Numbchucks of lightning from Ninjago. So we have the materials here and my brother has a collection of Ninjago, and for how many days he's been asking me to make all of this. It's custom made, so it might not be like the original. So, are you ready, Zanju? Let's get started. Yeah!
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face in the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple mans run around like they hate in the gaff.
So Zanju gonna be painting the first head while I'll be making the other 3 heads. Like I said, we're customizing it, so it's not really like the original. It's from our imagination.
Is it from your imagination, Sandra? Yeah.
Okay guys, my hands are tired and the sun is setting. The mosquitoes will come out very soon, so we'll be calling it a day. Zanju is just painting the last head of the nunchucks and we'll continue maybe assembling all these parts tomorrow because the paint still has to dry as well and I need to rest my hands, and we don't have any more time because it's gonna be dark soon. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, mi amigos, and it's another great day to continue our family project, the lightning nunchucks. We've already done the 4 heads. My brother is painting the nunchucks right now, and I have to get these things ready to assemble them. The chickens want to join our video.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone.
So guys, I transferred inside because it's time for me to use the glue gun. Alright guys, I'm already done glue gunning these babies, and I gotta say, it's not that bad actually. I say me and my brother did a very good job at this.
Be, what's wrong? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, what you gonna do about it now?
Okay guys, this is the finished product of our project. You might be saying, Lianne, this looks nothing like the original. Like I said, this is custom made, so it might be very far from the original. But what matters most is the happiness I give to my brother. If my brother is happy, and so I am happy. So guys, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to smash that notification bell to be notified for new videos. This is Lianne signing out.